Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and in this video, I'm sharing some of my extra, the next mile, the next step, the push, the most, well maybe not the most, but extra steps that I do in my nighttime routine. But before I dive into pampering my skin and giving it that extra love and attention and glow at nighttime so that it looks super handsome during the day, let me first show you the aroma that's gonna accompany this handsome ass face during the daytime. So I'd like to start by thank Dossier for collaborating with me on this portion of the video. Now, as I've mentioned before with Dossier, what they do is they take your high-end luxury $189, $274.99 fragrances, reproduce the same luxury scents with still using high-quality ingredients. They are vegan and cruelty-free, and they give them to you for a fraction of the price, like $29 or $39, like a fraction of the price, making your favorite scents affordable. Now, how do they do this? You go to the store, right? Your big box store, and you see a name that you like and know, and it's popular, and then you spend a couple $100s. Dossier says, the store, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. The name that you're really paying for, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. So nothing is left but you and Dossier and your option of the scent. So that's how they're able to give it to you for affordable prices, taking out all of the middleman. And another great benefit with getting your fragrances and scents from Dossier is that they have an amazing return policy. So you get a fragrance, right? You order it, spray it a couple of times, not meshing, not really giving what you want it to give. Well, they have a 30-day return policy, so you can return that fragrance within 30 days for either an exchange or a full return. So you've used it and you don't like it, you can still return it. Now, once you order your scent, it's gonna come in this nice, very simple and recyclable box that says Dossier. Once you open it, you get your iconic scents with designer quality and no markups. And then it comes with a great card that tells you all about your fragrance. So for this time around, I ordered that spicy vanilla. Now on the card, it gives you everything about the cologne or perfume. With the spicy vanilla, the top notes are nutmeg, black pepper, and lemongrass. Middle notes are rose, patchouli, and orris. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, and apopanox. Now this is inspired by the Tom Ford Noir Eau de Parfum. Now, this is a great scent for fall. It's a great scent for nighttime because of the warm notes that are in it. First taking it out of the box, first smelling it, first spray on, you definitely get the nutmeg, you definitely get that black pepper, and you definitely get a very, very fine hint of the lemongrass. After a few hours, like 4 hours, it then starts to settle more so into the black pepper. You get a little bit of the rose, and then going from there on out is where it settles really deeply and warmly into the vanilla and the amber. I don't know how the apopanox smells, but I'm gonna guess warm. This lasted me 24 hours. Like the next day I moved my arm, because I only sprayed some here and here. I moved my arm and I was like, is that vanilla? Sniffed it, this was still there. The next day, like the next day. This is a very large room scent, so I would make sure that you're in a big space because it's so good, it's really warm, and it lasts a long time. So make sure that you look down in the description box, click on my link so that you can save even more money on all of your purchases. So again, I'd like to thank Dossier for partnering with me on this portion of the video. Now that I have talked about what tomorrow's gonna look like and how I'm gonna smell, which is good, let's talk about what I do the night before in order to get my face together. So, over the past week or so, I have been drinking more pop, or if you're from the South, you may call it soda. I haven't been drinking as much water as I normally do. Water. So I have gotten a couple of breakouts here on my face. Doesn't happen often, but that's the only change that's happened. More pop, less water. So I need to fix it.
Fix it, Jesus.
And to help me do that, I'm going to be using the Lumin Intensive Reconditioning Face Mask. Now to use this, it says to place sheet over a clean face to align the cutouts of the eyes. You know, the face mask, you know, eyes, nose, mouth. And it says that you make sure that you don't leave any air bubbles, make sure that you take out any gaps, and that you want to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Peel the mask off, toss it, and then continue with your nightly skincare routine. And it says for best results, use weekly before sleeping. So that is what I plan on doing tonight, because just to show you what it looks like once you take it out. I'm never good with these masks, ever. Ooh, it's stuff in here. It is gloopy, it is full of stuff that's gonna help me do what I need to do for my skin. It's a little gross. So here is the mask, a little Jason Voorhees, a little Scream-ish looking. You see you've got your cutout here for your nose, cutout for your face. And I'm gonna turn so I can make sure I'm putting this on correctly and look. I think that I have got it good and good. I do like to take some of the extra secretion. I like that word. The extra stuff, secretion, and just kind of rub it around on the parts of my face that the mask isn't covering. All right, and I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna play a game. Oh, and I didn't mention it, but my face is freshly clean. I did use the Lumin charcoal cleanser. And remember that any pop-up videos that happen above, along with my discount code, will be down below in the description box for you to check out after this one. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes, right? Starting now. Intensive reconditioning mask, if you go to the site, is now called the Intensive Repair Face Mask. Now, I want to talk about some of the ingredients that are going to give you this reparative and also spa-like feeling on your skin. So first ingredient is water. Next, we have glycerin, which is going to give you your moisture. Niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, is going to help to strengthen the surface of your skin. It's also going to help with reducing inflammation that causes puffiness. The fourth ingredient is Centella asiatica extract, or it is the go-to cola plant. Now, the extract from this plant is soothing, and it has healing powers and properties, and it is also great for sensitive skin. Next is the Canomeles sinensis extract, or the Chinese quince fruit. So the extract from this fruit is what's going to also give you conditioning for the skin. It is also an antioxidant, and it is anti-aging. And the next ingredient we have here is parsley extract, which is rich in minerals like copper, zinc, calcium. It is also anti-aging. It is also antimicrobial, which is going to fight bacteria that causes acne, hence the bumps on my forehead. And it's also going to balance the excessive sebum.
My God, you're greasy.
For us oily skinned people. Another key ingredient found in here is ginger extract. That is going to help with fighting free radicals that age you prematurely, so again, anti-aging, and it is also going to even out your skin tone. Another one that we hear quite often, hyaluronic acid. This is going to actually intensely hydrate your skin, and it also says that it's going to smooth fine lines. And these are just some of the key ingredients and also the first few ingredients. There are tons of other great extracts in here. It has been a solid 15 minutes, so peel. And then finish with my, as it says, my regular nighttime routine, which is going to be the dark circle treatment and of course the moisturizing balm, all from Lumin. Based off of the ingredients that are in here, they're definitely going to help with any of these type of blemishes and things like that. I will also say is that there is a very slight tingle that happens.
It tingles.
But my face right now is feeling super soft.
So smooth and flexible.
Nice and moisturized, very supple skin.
You have beautiful skin. Amazing the way it just snaps back like that.
So let me know down in the comments, have you used the Lumin Intensive Reconditioning Face Mask? How did your face feel after using it? I know my face feels really good, and Definitely, I feel like it's gonna help with this up here. It's not a lot, but it's more than what I'm used to, okay? And make sure that you check out the description box for any pop-up videos to check out after this one, and also for my discount code and all information on the face mask. All right, make sure that you press the like button, press subscribe. It's fun, it's a good time. I'll show you how things work. Feel free to share this out as someone else may like to know how the intensive reconditioning face mask works. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I share my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.